Are you putting the right things in your description box right down here? Not even sure what you should be putting in it or totally avoiding it? Well, in this video, I'm going to tell you exactly what to be putting in your description box to help you get more views and subscribers, but more importantly, help you drive more leads to your email list. Welcome back to Tips with Trena, where I help you do YouTube better. And one of the things a lot of people are not doing right or are avoiding completely to do YouTube better is that description box down below. So I want to hear from you. Do you have any strategy to what you're putting in that description box? So this is another series in my Quick Fix Friday series. I'm going to show you how to fix something really quickly on your YouTube channel that can make a change. So as soon as we're done with this video, go make that change and let me know you did it. Let's jump over to the computer and I can show you exactly what to be putting in your description box. The first thing I want to walk through is what should be in the description box for every single video. So this does not change for any video. It's the same thing in every single video. And whether you're doing this or not, this is going to save you so much time once you add upload defaults. I don't know if you know this yet, but when you log in to your YouTube channel and you go over here to settings and you pop over to upload defaults, you can add text here in the description box when every single video uploads, and it's going to save you absolutely so much time. Thank you very much. Now you have time to go watch Netflix. But let's walk through what should be in every single video. Then I'll talk about how you customize this for each video. So the first thing that I suggest you actually adding in your description box is kind of a call to action to ask them to subscribe. You're probably on YouTube to grow your channel and get subscribers. So what you can do is have a little call to action to subscribe for more, whatever your value of your channel is. And then the way to get them to subscribe automatically is you putting your entire YouTube channel name and then adding this !sub_confirmation equals 1. Reason being, if we copy this and post this into Google, what's going to happen is once they click on that, they're going to be asked, are you sure you want to subscribe? And they can instantly subscribe to your channel from that link. So make sure you add that. That's going to be a quick and easy way to get some more subscribers. The next thing you can add is something to keep people on YouTube. Remember, YouTube wants people watching content. YouTube's going to recommend content that keeps people watching content. So I suggest having this call to action, like, have you seen my latest video? Now, I do have a link here that I get from TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy has a bunch of promotional links that you can use, and this automatically updates to my latest upload every single time I upload a new video. But you could just easily have this text right here, and then when you upload your new video, add the link to your last video when you do this. The next thing I want you to add is some playlists, because again, you want people to watch more content. The more content of yours that they watch, the more likely they're going to end up subscribing or buying from you if you're really promoting your business. And the more YouTube is going to put your content out to more people, because YouTube knows, hey, if I put this person's content out, people are likely to watch more content from them. So what I have done here is I recommend video series that my audience should check out. So I have a playlist about the best ways to grow a YouTube channel in 2019, and this link is to a playlist of 3 videos. The next thing I have is learn the first steps to starting a YouTube, and then I also have single videos. And for my single videos, I have my most watched videos. And how I picked these is this is my most popular video by views right now on my channel. This is, I think, the 3rd or the 4th video that's most popular on my channel as well, but it's a more recent one. So I've added that one, and then this one has the highest audience retention as of right now on my channel. So I added that link as well. Then if you have a business and you're trying to grow your email list, this is where you want to add a link for people to get on your email list. Now remember, you don't just want to say, sign up to my newsletter. You want to have something for them, whether it's a checklist or a worksheet or some type of free opt-in. That's what you want to add here so they can click on that and go grab that opt-in. Moving on down, maybe you hang out on Facebook, or maybe you hang out on Instagram, maybe you have other social media platforms that you're on. You can add that here as well. I tend to just hang out on Instagram, so I just minimize their options and just say you can find me hanging out on Instagram. Then you can add some affiliate links. So I just drop in what I get asked all the time, what type of equipment I use. So I put in links to my Amazon store. So when they go check check out what I do use, I can get a commission off of that sale as well. Then I give them a quick little sentence or two about who I am, what I'm about, and when I post new videos, that's just giving a little more detail to YouTube, what I talk about, YouTube tips. I credit my intro music, so that's what I got right there. I also have my email address so that if people do want to email me, they can reach out to me. Now let's talk about what should be in every single video that's different. All right, so for every single video, you should be writing at least a 1 to 2 paragraph summary about that video. The best thing to do is think about those keywords that you want to rank for or you want to be related to, and use those keywords in conversational text and paragraph format. I then like to use this summary as a blog post on my website and then link the video or embed the video to that blog post. Remember, you'll want to add that keyword that you're really trying to hit or rank for at the beginning. So this video was YouTube Q&A, so I have YouTube questions right here at the top. Then if you have a particular video that you mention, so if I'm talking in this YouTube Q&A about how to create thumbnails, I want to make sure that I have a video linked in the description box about how I create thumbnails. Now that's not a video that's on every single description box, but since I talked about it in this particular video, that's what I want to link in there. Now that you know exactly what's going into that description box, let's up your YouTube game a little bit more. Watch this video that's on your screen right now where I walk through all the YouTube settings you should have set up to drive even more traffic to your channel. I'll see you over there.